Hello everyone, my name is Mark Anthony with Edge on Regenerative Medicine. Edge on Regenerative Medicine. Edge on Regenerative Medicine Show. Edge on Regenerative Medicine Show. With Edge on Regenerative Medicine Show. The show that brings you the best doctors. It's what it is.
Thank you very much.
Wondering what I was going to do with my life.
Right, exactly.
I love that taste.
Yeah, you get that under control.
There's nothing that compares.
No spoiler alerts here.
Copaya chiropractic.
Then I learned, okay, well, it looks like there's no more hope.
Really severe stomach pains.
So incredibly smart.
Our team, those guys that would like,
I'm going to be a chiropractor.
They're not getting blood flow down.
So just listen to your bodies.
At that time was really regenerative medicine.
Wanting to learn how to help.
It's changed my life.
Ibuprofen and Tylenol.
Don't have caffeine. I know less healthy than one before the normal bacteria.
Go in there like little Pac-Man.
under metabolic issues.